All right, VEO3 is trash, is what I thought at first because I wasn't using it correctly. So today I want to show you kind of the mistakes that I made, how to get the most out of VEO3 so you can make amazing videos, and also how to get the most out of your videos if you're a YouTube content creator to get more reach and get more bang for your buck. So let's go. So here is the problem. I asked VEO3 to create show a video with the Titanic ship slowly sinking and an alien ship come out of the clouds and beam someone out of the water and fly away. And here is kind of what it came up with. And this is pretty much garbage, right? This is a trash video. I was like, what the heck is this? This is laughably bad. Well, the mistake that I was making, there was two mistakes that I was making. One is a terrible prompt because, like any AI, the output is only as good as the prompt that you give it. If you get a terrible prompt, it's going to give you a terrible output, and this is the case, one of the cases. The other thing was I wasn't actually using VEO3 like a dum-dum. So when you go in here, the box down here, there's a settings, and you have outputs per prompt and then the model, which it just says fast. So I was like, okay, cool. What I didn't realize is you have to click in here and you have to go to quality or highest quality, which is VEO3, to actually get good videos. So that is one of the problems that I fixed, that I hit VEO3. The other problem was getting a better prompt because this prompt is not good, and VEO3 is expensive. It's like 100 credits per video generation, so it's not cheap. And I don't even have the Ultra, which is if you click to ingredients to video, you need Google Ultra, which is crazy expensive. So I have text to video and frames to video, which is, I think, enough. You don't really need Ultra, but the other mistake was the prompt. So what I then did was take this prompt here, which is garbage, and use ChatGPT to make this into a VEO3 video prompt. And then basically it gave me a much better prompt with the scene description, action sequence, visual style and details, vibe and tone that I could then go and use for this. So let's go back here and I will show you, after entering that prompt, this is what it came up with. And it not only has amazing video, but it also has audio with that prompt. So let's watch this one and you will see quite drastic difference. Actually, can I make this full screen? Let's do it. All right, here we go.
Help! Help!
So pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, this is a lot of fun to play around with. The guy, I mean, could have been shown in the beam of light, I guess, a little bit better, but pretty crazy. It had like dramatic music at the end. The guy saying help. So yeah, pretty cool stuff. Now, how I'm also using this, so depending on if you're creating videos and putting them on YouTube, which a lot of you probably are, I am combining this with any video creation with another tool, Arvow. So if you have a YouTube video, this is kind of a combination of multiple AI tools, and this is really how you're going to get next level, is you can go over to Arvow and you can generate SEO optimized blog articles from your YouTube content. So they have this right here, YouTube to blog post, which this is really awesome. All you have to do is go in here, put the YouTube video, and then it automatically optimizes, creates an amazing blog article that you could then put on your website or social media to drive extra traffic back to your YouTube video, back to your website. So this is an amazing way to leverage what you're already doing to get more bang for your buck. So if I go, I'll show you kind of what this looks like. Here's some generations. And this is a great way I've dramatically increased the traffic on my website with doing this. So if we go in here, this is one we did for, I think this one was real estate, but you can kind of just get an idea. This is for first-time home buyers. So basically, I just dropped this video in here. It created this AI SEO optimized blog article that I then can post on my website, social media, to drive traffic back to my website to get found in search. And it's out of the box. It's a great, it's already SEO optimized, so you don't have to waste a ton of time. So you can see it has the structure of it, the structure here, H1, H2 for SEO. It has excerpts. It includes the YouTube video. So you can also use other people's YouTube videos because it's going to drop it in here and credit them. So if you want to use other relevant YouTube videos for your website, you can do that as well. So there's a link to that below. But yeah, I just wanted to share a few tips to get the most out of VEO3 with kind of some extra bonus tips there for you, because this is how I'm kind of leveraging multiple platforms together to be able to grow. So hopefully that helps you guys out. Here's another good video on Arvow as well, because there's so many ways to use this tool combined with other AI tools out there to grow your business, which is what most people are here trying to do. So hopefully that helps you guys out.